Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I very clearly have a cold, so I appreciate your patience with my voice. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And definitely want to get things updated here as we head into the weekend. First thing I'm going to do is a little bit of house cleaning just because I don't want to have too many lines all over the place. So I just want to focus on really mainly two levels of support and resistance. And the first level is an area that I talked about on Wednesday, and it played out perfectly today, and that is this area up here right around $12. And honestly, I don't remember what exactly that value was. Right around $12.85, $12.90, that general area. That was a former area of support, and that's just really basic technical analysis. When levels of support are broken and closed above, or excuse me, when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And again, that's exactly what happened right there. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that area of the chart, the price can never ever get back up above. I'm just saying that it makes sense why the price did struggle up around that area. So going into next week, 1285, 1290, that range is, priority number one and kind of public enemy number one in terms of levels of resistance that you would want to see the price break up above. Now, as things stand right now and going into the weekend, with this afternoon, you can see there was downwards momentum that formed. So at this point, it would not be shocking at all, especially given it's one of the leveraged ETFs, to see the price continue on down with momentum and potentially go down to right there around the area around 1185, 1190 down here, which again is being represented by that green line. Is it guaranteed to go down there? No, it's not guaranteed, but with the amount of momentum it seems to have, after this afternoon, it would also not be very shocking at all to see the price go down around that area. So these are definitely going to be the two key, technical levels going forward again, right around 1285 as a key resistance, and then down here around 1185 as the area of support. So we'll see how next week all plays out.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.